Guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching a quick speed test comparison of the Realme 6 Pro with the POCO X2. The POCO X2 was already in the market with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G, while the Realme 6 Pro comes with the Snapdragon 720G, which is almost the same chipset but with a bit lower clock speed of the GPU. So here we are doing quite a few different tests, loading applications to show you which one loads faster, and these are the benchmark scores where the Realme 6 Pro is a bit higher on the score, but it's almost the same. It doesn't really matter here. And you can see here it's SM7125 and SM7150, the model numbers for the chipsets. And the variants that we are using have 8 GB of RAM, so it's the same amount of the RAM, and it's UFS 2.1 storage on both the devices. So here firstly what we are doing is a boot speed test to see which phone actually loads boots up faster. And so we are first going to switch those phones off, and then we will actually start them to show you which one actually would start up first. And in this case clearly it was the POCO X2 that loaded faster or booted up faster than the Realme 6 Pro, which took quite a few seconds more than the POCO X2 to boot up the device. Now next what we did was open a few applications where we wanted to show you which one has a faster app loading speed. And with the Antutu it was the Realme 6 Pro which loaded the app faster, and then with the Asphalt 8 game as well, it was the same case where the Realme 6 Pro was faster than the POCO X2 in loading the Asphalt 8 game. Now moving on, we opened the Geekbench application and it was faster on the Realme 6 Pro once again. And with the PUBG Mobile, this was the opening of one of the major applications or one of the apps that you would usually play and use. So in this case, the POCO X2 was the leader with faster loading of the PUBG Mobile game when compared to the Realme 6 Pro. Now this is the speed test comparison where we open quite a few applications one after the other in simultaneous time, and also reopen a few applications to see how good the RAM management is. So we start with Antutu and then go on to open the Asphalt 8 and a few other games as well. So here in this video now continuously you'll be watching a few apps being opened, and that's almost without any gap. And obviously the MIUI also has that second confirmation whenever you try to close the application. And this is the speed test of the Realme 6 Pro and the POCO X2. So here were the results. The POCO X2 actually took a couple of seconds more, which was quite expected, with the Realme 6 Pro actually taking lesser time to open most of the applications. And it isn't a huge gap, to be frank. So with the day-to-day usage, there shouldn't be any issues or any difference here. But this multitasking or wherever the app loading was, it was a bit faster on the Realme 6 Pro. Otherwise, if you are a regular user who doesn't really care about these kind of deeper things, the POCO X2 isn't a bad phone at all, with that Snapdragon 730G actually being better than the 720G with the GPU speeds. So this was the speed test comparison of the Realme 6 Pro and the POCO X2 smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.